Here I'm cutting a piece of wire to make the jump rings. I use a standard wire cutter for that. Now I'm spraying it with flux. This helps the cut down on the fire scale, the burning. Here I'm lighting my little torch, and the idea here is to heat this to the point where it gets just about red hot, so that it will be pliable and you'll be able to work with it. It'll be much softer, and this usually takes a minute or two. I just go back and forth here with the torch until I see it getting nice and hot. Okay, once I'm done with that, I take my little tweezers here and dip it in some cool water, get it to the point where I can work with it again. If you notice, I keep it on the side of the soldering block where it wasn't hot. Now I'm just twisting it around a mandrel. You can use anything you want as a mandrel. Some people use knitting needles, dowels. This particular piece I found at a flea market, and it makes a nice size ring, and I tapped it there with my hammer to get down the ends, and now I simply just snip off the links. If you can't do them all at once, just do one at a time. I mean, this is simple, easy, quick. It works for me because I like simple, easy, and quick. And there's two rings, and I have a little piece left over that I can use for